Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 review. My gums stopped bleeding.
Last cleaning, my hygienist literally stopped mid-scrape and asked, "Wait, did you finally get an electric?" I mumbled, "No," and wanted to vanish into the chair. That was the moment I admitted my manual brush was straight up failing me. Type same if your dentist has ever given you that disappointed sigh. That dull ache in your gums every time you finish brushing, knowing you probably scrubbed too hard again? Frustrating, exhausting. But imagine brushing and actually feeling like you just left the dentist without the lecture. Stay with me for 30 more seconds because that feeling is now my every morning. Then I grabbed the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 in pink because if I'm upgrading, I'm doing it cute. 62,000 movements per minute that feel like a gentle massage instead of an attack, pressure sensor that buzzes when I get aggressive, 4 modes that actually do different things, gum health literally saved my bleeding spots, BrushSync that yells at me when the head is done, app that tracks coverage without making me stare at my phone, and a glass charger that looks like it belongs in a hotel. True story. That night at 2 a.m., I couldn't sleep, gums throbbing from over-brushing stress. Used gum health mode on low. 3 minutes later, the ache was gone and my teeth felt weirdly slick. I stood there in the mirror grinning like an idiot because suddenly everything clicked. I wasn't fighting my teeth anymore. 6 months later, and my hygienist now uses my x-rays as the good example. One dentist on YouTube said the pressure sensor alone prevents more recession than any lecture ever could. Analysts say the 7500 has the highest retention rate in Sonicare's lineup because people actually notice their gums stop bleeding. My favorite review came from Jessica.Smiles, who said she went from constant sensitivity to forgot I even had gums. Personally, I catch myself running my tongue over my teeth like a weirdo because they stay dentist clean for hours. Biggest objection I see is, but electrics are overkill. Cool, until you feel the difference and realize you've been voluntarily sandpapering your enamel for years. This is why thousands of us won't shut up about the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 right now. Quick, comment your current brush type if you're ready to feel personally attacked by how smooth your teeth could be. Imagine brushing your teeth and actually looking forward to it because your mouth feels ridiculously clean and your gums stopped staging protests. Join the thousands of former manual warriors already living this quietly superior life with the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Just click, try it yourself, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, your dentist is going to notice. See you on the clean side.